Today we're going to do the bleed down test here for you guys. To perform that, you always want to make sure that you're built up to full air pressure. In this truck, the full air pressure should be built up anywhere between 120 and 140 psi. Now we're going to go ahead and test our parking brake. To make sure our parking brake is working properly, we're going to make sure that our parking brake is pulled out and set. And to make sure that the parking brake is working properly, we're going to have to put the truck into gear. So right now the truck's in neutral. I'm going to go ahead and put it into drive. I'm going to put gentle pressure against the parking brake and make sure my parking brake's working. Next, we're going to test the service brake side. This will be for the brake pedal. To test this service brake, what we're going to do is we're going to release the tractor parking brake. We're going to put the truck into drive. We're going to pull the truck to 5 miles an hour, and then we're going to hit the brakes. The reason why we're doing this is to make sure that the service brake is stopping properly and that the truck isn't pulling from one side to the other. So now we're going to do our bleed down test. And to properly do our bleed down test, you want to make sure that the truck and trailer are parked on level ground. If you can't do this on level ground, make sure you have a set of wheel chocks that you can put under the tire. That way the truck is not going to roll. In order to do this test, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure our gear shifter is set to the neutral position. Now we're going to go ahead and release our tractor parking brake. If we have a trailer, we would go ahead and release this at this time, but we don't have a trailer on right at the moment. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and shut the engine off to the truck. After the engine shuts off, I'm going to go ahead and turn the key back to on. I'm going to make sure that I'm built up between 120 and 140 psi. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test the service brake sides for any leaks. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold the brake pedal down for 1 minute and make sure I'm not losing more than 3 psi per minute for just the tractor and 4 psi per minute for the truck and trailer combination. After I've performed that test, next I'm going to fan the brake pedal down until the low air alarm comes on. The low air alarm should come on at 60 psi. Right there, my low air alarm has come on, and that's telling me my low air alarm is working properly. Next, I'm going to go ahead and keep fanning the brake pedal down until my tractor protection valve pops. And that should pop anywhere between 25 and 40 psi. And that right there conducts our bleed down test for the truck and trailer.